There is nothing more welcoming in the home than the aroma of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. Here's what you'll need: flour, baking soda, salt, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, egg yolk, chocolate chips. Here in more detail is the list of the ingredients you'll need. Step 1. Stir together the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. It is not necessary to sift. Step 2. Beat the butter until it's creamy. Then add the sugars and the vanilla and stir them in until they're well blended. Step 3. Add the egg and the egg yolk one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Step 4. Stir in the flour mixture. You can stop stirring as soon as the ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. Step 5. Stir in the chocolate chips, making sure to distribute them evenly. Step 6. Form the dough into a log, wrap it, and chill it for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Step 7. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 8. Cut the dough into thin rounds or form into cookies and place the rounds on baking sheets. Step 9. Bake for 10 minutes or until the edges begin to turn golden. This recipe makes about 2 dozen cookies depending on the size. And this is how you make chocolate chip cookies.